The headlines read, mortgage rates plummet and advertisers are trying to snap you up. But is it really true? We are seeing improved mortgage rates, which is really good. However, a couple things you need to understand is the mortgage rate, again, it's not that Fed funds rate. So when they cut rates, what happened, our rates actually went up. Lots of things go into the bond market and watching treasuries. Here's a quick breakdown of what is currently affecting us. First, China installed a floor both into their real estate and stock market. That really helped them, good. However, globally, it really affected the bond market, causing our rates to go up yet again. Then Saudi Arabia came out and decided, hey, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna up oil production, getting off of that $100 a barrel price, good inflationary purposes. But again, the bond market did not react well to that, causing us to lose more, which means mortgage interest rates go up. Then Friday, we got a little bit back. Then yesterday, kind of gross, kind of steady Eddie. But then guess what? The longshoremen are on strike. Watch this clip and see what this guy's talking about.
These people today don't know what a strike is.
Right.
When my men hit the streets, from Maine to Texas, every single port will lock down. You know what's gonna happen? I'll tell you. First week, be all over the news every night, boom, boom. Second week, guys who sell cars can't sell cars because the cars ain't coming in off the ships. They get laid off. Third week, malls start closing down. They can't get the goods from China. They can't sell clothes. They can't do this. Everything in the United States comes on a ship. They go out of business. Construction workers get laid off because the materials aren't coming in. The steel's not coming in. The lumber's not coming in. They lose their job. Everybody's hating the longshoremen now because now they realize how important our jobs are. Now I have the president screaming at me, I'm putting a Taft-Hartley on you. Go ahead. Taft-Hartley means I have to go back to work for 90 days. That's a cooling off period. Do you think when I go back for 90 days, those men are going to go to work on that pier? It's going to cost the company's money to pay their salaries. Well, they went from 30 moves an hour maybe to 8. They're going to be like this. Who's going to win here in the long run? You're better off sitting down and let's get a contract and let's move on with this world. And in today's world, I'll cripple you. I will cripple you, and you have no idea what that means. Nobody does.
As you can see, this guy is not effing around. This could be a major impact on the US economy as they control 50% of all imports that come in, not to mention a third of all cars that move into this country from our ports on the East Coast. So this is a really big deal. Surprisingly, mortgage rates are performing well today. Primarily what we think though is that's because Iran is threatening an imminent strike on Israel. Good time to be anywhere in the world right now with everything that's going on. It's kind of crazy. So what we want to do, what does this mean for you? Mortgage rates have improved. They're better than where they were a year ago. So if you're thinking about refinancing and you did buy in the last year or two, you could consider it or you could hold on a little bit. If you're looking at buying, now actually is a good time because rates are lower, and guess what? There's less competition as we move in to the winter months. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for checking out the video. We'll see you at the next one.